Welcome to this free lecture. This lecture is taken from my ZBrush full anatomy and character creation course. Details of this course can be found now. If you like what I'm doing here, visit the page, check it out, see if you like it, and take the course. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about starting simple in anatomy, ZBrush anatomy and character creation. So during my anatomy course, I cover all of this, but it's basically, in a nutshell, it's starting with a low resolution base, such as this, and actually adding detail when we need it. Now, the key to creating a great character in ZBrush, especially for anatomy, is to start simple. This yields quite a few benefits, such as easier on the system because there's less polygons. It means it's quicker response times for getting around the model, basically sculpting. Also, it's easier to mask and soften those masks. If you've got higher resolution, it's much harder to soften the masks off and actually move areas around because there's just more polygons to move. It's also easier to build up material, so easier to add material onto the model as you start to build in your structure and as you start to move the model to get the shape that you require for it actually to be a model in itself. So it's really easy for me to go and manipulate this while it's in a lower subdivision level. Now also, as you add the detail, you will run out of material or your resolution on the model, in which case you can then go up the subdivision levels and retopologize it to bring more resolution into the model, and then you can smooth it and build up again and carry on through this until you achieve the model result that you require. Too many times I see students upping the resolution too early or jumping straight up to a high resolution. So, take my advice here, move slowly up, and only when you're running out of the resolution should you slowly increase it. So this is a fundamental lecture just to tell you that this is the way that you should be working with this to get the results you need. So working from that simple base, we can then create something like this. So hopefully this has been of help to you. Just remember that all the tips that I've shown in this video are demonstrated clearly in my Anatomy for ZBrush course, building your beginner skills to an advanced level. So for more details on this course, check out the description link below to find out more about it.